Hi, welcome back to Little Bert's Bench, and here we're going to take a look at the lovely Bachmann Pennsylvania livery Emd F7 Loco with sound. This is the sound value range with a Soundtraxx decoder on. Nice red box there, easy mate couplings. All the info there about speed steps, 128 and NMRA compliance. And on the back we've got advert for the easy command system. So I take it they're aiming this at beginners. It is a basic Loco, but I think it's a very nice one. So I'm kind of new to getting American Locos, but I do like the Emd F7. It's a fantastic engine, and this can be had for quite a low price for what it is. It's a very, very heavy Loco. So let's get it out of the box and have a look at what you get inside. So it's packaged in the usual ice block container, like this, which keeps everything nice and secure. And you get some documentation here, so let's have a quick look at what we've got. We have got an important notice. I wonder what that's for. Never mind. And a sheet of stuff. Not too interested in that. Quick start guide. All this is very simple. There's not many functions on it, and I believe that there is some options where you can change horn and whistle and things like that. Well, horn and bell in this case. So we have the usual Bachmann exploded parts diagram, should you need any spares, and I believe this is a guarantee. Yeah, 1 year guarantee. All the usual stuff, but it's Loco we're interested in. Now, it's very heavy. DCC sound, it says there. Really solid metal chassis there. It weighs a ton. Considering this is quite a small Loco, it weighs loads. I'm surprised actually. Got all the fan detail there, horns. Not sure how accurate this is, but it looks like one to me. And no numbers on the root boards here. I'm not sure what the proper name is for American terminology. No number for the Loco, but that could easily be added with decals. Nice light at the front. These smaller lights are just painted on. Nice logo application there. The paint job is very crisp throughout. Nice couplers, and it's a lovely glossy shade of black. It's not gloss and it's not satin, it's somewhere in between. So the camera's gone out of focus there. There we go. Pennsylvania is very crisp on the side, again with the logo there and some red details picked out. Nice silver paintwork on the grills, and the side windows are really nice because you can see there, it looks like a lens almost. There's a clear part on the inside, and again there's a clear part on top as well that's flush. Try and get the light to catch on that so you can see it clearly. It's not having it, I don't think, but you can just make it out there, see it reflected. So on the other side, oh god, it's heavy this Loco. So got lots of rivet detail, same thing again, nice grills, steps up there, no separately fitted handrails or anything like that, so it is very basic. But as far as value for money goes, this is a great little Loco. So got the end detail there, these knuckle couplers again. I think these are fantastic compared to what we have in the UK. I'm actually hoping to get some of the NEM versions of these and try them out, as they're so much more reliable and easy to use rather than fighting with the tension lock couplers that we're used to. Like these, you know. I mean, that they work fine enough, but not really the easiest system or the most attractive. And in fact, I think the tension locks are pretty ugly. This, though, you know, even if it's not accurate, it's not 3-link. Try to get to focus again. There we go. They look like real railway items, don't they? So they function a lot better. So let's see what it runs like. Okay, so we've got this wonderful little Loco on the track here. I've put the mute function on, which is function 8, because as soon as the wheels touch the track, the power comes on and the sound of the engine fades in. There's no start-up or shut-down sequences on these. It just goes straight to the idle sound, which I'll just give you a quick listen to now. So there we go. And then you've got your horn. very nice. And then the short horn. As you can hear, the long horn is playable, so if I just give it a quick dab, you get that, and then the short horn. Go back to the long horn and hold it a bit longer, or as long as you want. So you have a lot of fun playing with that. And you've got the bell here. And then we have a light at the front. Now that's in reverse, I think it means. No, that's reverse, so it's dimmed. And then full brightness there. But if you want to, you can dim it with F7. So I'll back that up a little bit. You'll hear the revs rise when you get to speed step 2 or 3. And then it'll start to move around speed step 7. Very nicely indeed, see? It's very responsive on the throttle. So I'll bring that light back in again. So that's forwards, brighter, reverse, dimmer, which I believe is right for American stuff. So if it's too bright for your eyes, because it can be in the dark, you can dim it, which is very nice. Just going to mute the sound a second. So let's have a listen to this running. Now the mobile phone will pick up the motor louder than it is in person, but it seems to be a very nice runner so far, so let's have a listen to it. So speed step 1, well 7 actually, but it moves at 7. It's very nicely set up on the throttle response, how it responds to speed steps. But that is excellent running quality. Really, really nice. So smooth. A lot better than some of the UK stuff we get, I must say. So let's get it out of view. You can see that window reflecting nicely like I was on about before. It's Flying Scotsman in view though now. Bit of an odd mix. I think in this channel there's going to be no prototypical modelling of a certain era. It's just going to be run whatever I fancy, because I'm interested in all kinds of things. So anyway, back to this. So speed step 7, let's ramp it up to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very smooth there. Just going to try and track this a bit for you. Try and get it to focus. There we go. It's a beautiful Loco. Let's try and give it a bit more speed this time. Very nice indeed. And I'm quite confident it could pull a house. So let's put the sound on and have a listen to what that sounds like. Yeah. And it's idling down. So. So speed step 10. Right, we're revving up a bit. 7 it moves. And the pitch rises of the engine. And it gets up to about 13 or 14. Rises in pitch again. And you can control that by just going between 13 and 14. 13. 14. So it's very responsive on the throttle. Okay, so as the clock just rung and wrecked that, I'm going to just quickly go through the speed steps with accelerating this, going backwards and forwards without using acceleration or deceleration delay. I haven't altered any CVs on this yet, but hopefully you'll be able to hear it spool down with me carefully running this so it doesn't come off the edge of the board. So let's go for it. and back to idle. So, sounds very good, I think. Let's just give it a very short thing. Just for a run by. Okay, so let's have a little run by with this thing. I haven't got a lot of American stock, and this is probably the most unrealistic thing that you'll ever see if you're a US rattle fan. It could be right, I don't know, but I've got a humane livestock car and a Maryland and Pennsylvania caboose. So I see this thing is full of chickens. So there we go. It'd be nice to have some passenger cars for this and a B unit. I can see that happening. So let's have a look. Absolutely lovely. There's just something about this Loco I absolutely adore. Just bring it back now for you. Magic. So yeah, I highly recommend this Loco if you're looking for a nice addition to the fleet, or you're looking to get into American railroads. I think this is a wonderful Loco to start a layout, or if you're got a layout already and you're just looking for something fun and nice to run, this is a fantastic Loco. It's really reliable. It's never stalled once. It performs absolutely beautifully. The running quality is amazing. Certainly couldn't ask for more for the money. It's fantastic, and if you're a modeler and like to actually make models and do things yourself and customise stuff, paint it up, then there's loads of potential there too for adding your own number and adding extra detail if you so desire. So it's certainly a joy to operate and well worth the money. So thanks for watching this, and if you've enjoyed this, then please feel free to like and subscribe to this channel, and just give you a nice little shot of this wonderful Loco. So, I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks very much. Bye for now, guys.